What's going on, Blacked Out family? We back with another banger today. Yes, I said a banger. Yes, we're here with a dope collab. Dope. When I say it's one of the ones that I've been waiting for since I seen it. They were supposed to release I think earlier end of last year. Beginning of this year, somewhere around there. They were supposed to release. Pushed back a couple times. You know how that go. But yeah, let's dive right into these, man. But first, I need y'all to subscribe, leave a comment, and hit that like button. Hey, the subscribe only count if you hit that notification bell, so make sure you hit that notification bell every time you subscribe. I know y'all like it's early in the video, but hey, I want to get it out the way so I ain't got to say it the rest of the way. Just remind y'all, hey, it's alright to subscribe. It don't cost you nothing. It's actually free. I mean, but hey, if you do, thank you. If you don't, thank you as well for watching this video. So, hey, shout out to y'all because y'all the MVPs. Alright, let's get into this shoe. We're going to talk about these Rui. I can't say this man's name. Hachimura. I think that's it. Rui Hachimura. Hachimura. If I'm going to say it right, we're just going to call him Rui. Going to leave it at that. Jordan 8 Retro SE Rui. Twine, Gem Red, and Black Sesame. Woo, some crazy colors, man. So, as y'all know, the reason I said they supposed to drop last year. Y'all look on the box, you got the suggested tag there, suggested retail tag there, and you know, I think this year, starting this year, they changed all the prices on the shoes. The shoes went up, and if you get a newer box, and it was supposed to drop this year, it don't even have that tab on it. It might not even have this tab on it. It might not even have, it might just say suggested retail with no price on it, or it just might have a tab with nothing on it. So they not fakes. They just don't, Nike just switching stuff up because they changed the prices on them. So it's just not popping up on the label. So you might get it probably towards the end of this year. Maybe get it next year. You might see it come back with the suggested retail on it, but since everything in price went up, Air Force Ones went to $100. Just a bunch of different prices. I hear Jordan 1s going to $199. So a bunch of different stuff just going up in prices. So just be on the lookout for that. If you're buying off of StockX and you don't see that suggested retail price on there, be aware. They might not be fake, but we all know how StockX get down. So moving forward, moving on to these shoes. Look, as y'all know, I'm transitioning to some of these cases here, and you still some boxes deserve to keep their actual boxes, their actual cases, and this is one of them. This is definitely one of them. Look at the box. Look at that. Look at that design on them. Look at that design on them. I'm still on the fence if I want to keep these. I'm still on the fence. I don't know yet. I like the shoe, but it's still one of them shoes I'm not gonna wear. And a lot of times, I'm not invested in it. And I think that's what, well, I invested in it, but I'm not invested in the sense of, should I keep this or should I sell it? Like I said, just not one of them shoes I did want to see in the hand. I was more excited about the 30. I was more excited about the 36s. I like them colorways better, and I like what how the shoe look. Not much the 8s, but this is a sneakers pickup. So shout out to sneakers for the dub. You know, I don't get too many of them. Half the time I don't even answer them. I go to the plug or whatever if I want a shoe real bad, or I just don't even care. You know what I'm saying? I'm not a real Jordan head anymore. I have Jordans, but I'm not going after every Jordan that's dropping. It's just not fucking worth it anymore. Especially when you go in these stores and Jordans are sitting. I was just in the store the other day and seeing all the Jordan 5s that has dropped this year. The Green Beans, the Easters, I even seen the Jordan 1 Heritage drop. So it's all here. So like I said, Jordans is really not selling out. Don't let the internet and these apps fool you. If you go into some of your local stores, they are sitting. So go holler at some of them stores. They are sitting. I'm seeing a bunch of videos. They're sitting, man. I just seen them the other day, so I seen them with my eyes. They sitting. So if you're looking for a shoe and you really want some of these shoes, I'm pretty sure you can go cop them. Oh, and I seen some the 11 72 and 10 shoes. I mean, they're here. They're here. They're here. They can be found. Don't let, like I said before, don't let the internet sway you from what you want. In these stores, they are sitting. So let's get into the shoes, because I know y'all like, all right, you talked about them and you just moved on to something totally different. Quit rambling. I apologize. So let's get into this. Let's get into this. Let's get into this box. Man, this box fire. I like the red that goes to the black. I like that. This actually says his name, Rui Hachimura. I think that's his number, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, don't ask me what that is. I think they're just symbolized stuff, symbols and stuff. The Jordan symbol, his symbol, and I don't know what that is. So we're gonna move forward. We're gonna move on. You got the Jordan there. Of course, you got the Nike Air, whatever, on the back of there. And let's get into the opening of this box. Look, man, when I tell y'all, look at that, look at that. You get the poster of the actual box inside. This is dope to me. Because nowadays, how many pair of shoes you getting that got stuff in it? You know what I'm saying? They are throwing a lot of shoestrings in with shoes, but at the end of the day, shoestrings are easy to come about. But stuff like this, when you are collecting shoes, means something, because it keeps the resale there, and it's like a little memento. You know what I'm saying? You can keep frame it, hang it up, whatever. Especially if you was like into like his culture and stuff like that. So it's really good to get stuff like that in it. But let's get to the shoes. I see you got his symbol, you got the Nike Air, and you got the Jordan symbol on there. So dope paper, in my opinion. Let's get into the shoe though. Y'all ready for this? Y'all ready for this? Bam. Bam. Y'all ain't ready. Are y'all really ready? Are y'all really ready for these, man? Are y'all really ready for these? Let's go into it. When I tell y'all what this shoe remind me of, y'all might click off this video. Y'all definitely gonna click off this video. Y'all know. Y'all know. Let's get it. Let's get it. Bam. Bam. Yes, let's get it. Let's get it. Alright, so where we go from here? So this shoe reminds me of, and I'm gonna say it, the mid Air Force One wheat. Yes. I put a picture up right there. Tell me them don't look alike. No, the not the canvas, but it's a wheat color. It's wheat, and it's the same color as this. Same, it's just wheat. You got the wheat. I think it's the lows, and you got some wheat highs. I haven't seen the highs, but the mids, I know they just dropped not too long ago. Supreme dropped some too. So that's what it reminded me of. This is definitely not a summer shoe. That's why I think they were trying to drop it last year, around fall-ish, going into winter. But they didn't hit that season just because of the shipping delays. But it has some little giblets on it, you know what I'm saying? You got the different design here. Same thing on the tongue with his design on it, his logo on it. I kind of dig all the, I wish they would have put his number here to really make it a signature shoe, to really give it that pop. But with all is said and was all done to this shoe, I think it's a great shoe. It do come with a set of spare laces. Like I said, this is Jordan 8, man. I don't think too many people checking for Jordan 8s. Unless it's the Bug Bunnies or something like that. I don't think too many people checking for them. This is dope. This is kind of like that transparent look, but not really transparent. With the like wood grain on it. Like, it's just a dope shoe. This reminds me of like like I said, that wheat boy, like the mids, it definitely remind me of that. Inside the tongue there, you got his I think it's the same. I want to say it's the same writing as in the top, but I don't know. I'm not sure what that says in there. If y'all can translate it or look it up, I'm not sure what that says in there. I'll put a picture up or whatever with a better showing of it. If you have never bought 11s, or I'm sorry, if you've never bought 8s before and you want to know how they fit true to size. It is like I said, this is a good hooping shoe. That bottom on the bottom of there, look at that bottom, that black, that red on the bottom. Like I said, it's an 8, man. I don't have too much to say about this shoe. I said what I said. It is what it is. It do remind me of that shoe. That's probably one of the reasons I will not be keeping this. I really just wanted to see him in hand. Like I said, I was really going for the 36s. But you know how that go. You always get the shoe you don't want. What can you say? So, especially on sneakers app. But like I said, it's an 8. I ain't really get into it like that. I thought it would have something different in the inside. Nope, you got the same little stuff on there. But hey, do me a favor, like I said before, hit that subscribe button. Make sure you like, comment, share, all that good stuff. We on the road to 1,500. I think we like 200 subscribers away. So do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. Let's make this a road trip and let's get it on, man. Let's get it. Hey, this your boy Blacked Out Kickz. Stay blessed, be blessed, and always find the way to get your blessings. Hey.